Okay, looks like we're about 5 minutes into a roast of malt at 400 degrees. And it looks like the best setting for this is with the on main burners turned on at the top, and then both the front and the back burner right about 6 o'clock. And that'll put the, well, let's see, we're a little above 400 right now, so I'm going to make an adjustment here and turn these down just a tiny bit. But I can get the smell of that malt going. It smells delicious. And you can see the burners are on inside there. Basically, the lowest setting will put this burner at 400 degrees. So anyways, I'm going to pull the malt off. There's about 2 pounds roasting in there right now. Every 10 minutes I'm going to pull some out. This will give us an idea of how long to roast these malts to get the pale amber, copper, and chocolate colors we're looking for. So, alright, I'm going to close for now and come back in about 3.5–4 minutes.